I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Welcome to the world of youth ATVs, where dreams of off-road glory are born and kids become legends in the dirt. Start their journey today with the Denago Mudhawk 6 and the Mudhawk 10 FI. Two fully loaded ATVs that are feature-rich in their class. The Mudhawk 6 comes locked and loaded with a beastly 107cc four-stroke engine, while the Denago Mudhawk 10 FI
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
doesn't just run, it roars with a 120cc engine. Both are packed with a fully automatic transmission with forward, neutral, and reverse. Now here's where it gets real: suspension. Both the Denago Mudhawk 6 and Mudhawk 10 FI feature adjustable double front and monoshock adjustable rear suspension. Fancy words that mean it eats bumps for breakfast and keeps your kids smiling. And stopping power isn't an issue for these bad boys, with dual front and single rear disc brakes. And at this price, they're not just a steal, it's the heist of the century. These aren't just an ATV. It's a ticket to adventure, memories, and maybe even a little peace of mind for mom and dad. The Denago Mudhawk 6 and Mudhawk 10 FI. Battle tested, kid approved. Start their journey at DenagoPowersports.com.